Hello, Matt here. Not really happy today because of the weather. It was supposed to be paint day. It's not because I don't know if you can see it's raining, but it's raining. Oh, this is already painted. But still, it was supposed to be a paint day. Let me explain. I fucked up. Of course, I fucked up. Now I have to sand it down a bit and I have to redo this. The other door is done. And also I have to start assembling this car because everywhere you fucking look there are AX parts. This all here are AX parts and I don't have storage space because I have 4 cars. Let me count. Fiji, AX, and the van slash truck. Okay, 3 cars taken apart. Actually, I do have spare parts of 2 more cars that were disassembled. Oh yeah, the white BMW, actually the black one, because that black parts are here and the white. Yeah, there's a bunch of parts. I don't have space for all of that. So time to get this together. And when I say it's paint day, that means on top of painting that door, I need to paint the engine bay. And I keep on forgetting why I still haven't painted the engine bay. And the reason is simple. Do you see a strut brace here? No, you don't. So let's make this a quick one and build a strut brace. Of course, using only scrap metal I have lying around. Except, well, let me show you. I kinda do have tabs slash brackets that will hold the strut brace, but they are kinda not what they were supposed to be, because they were supposed to be this thick. Or whatever. Now I'll weld 2 and 2 together and place them here, which they will fit barely, but fit they will. And the same on the other side, and then we will just bolt in a bar between them. You know what? Fuck welding these brackets. I have these smaller ones, which are thicker, smaller but thicker, and they will do just fine. Now I do have another problem, and that's this, which I thought was stainless, but it's not. It's copper. So means I need to find a tube like this. I also need to put this together a bit better because there's a lot of garbage here. But most of it is just scraps of metal. And this scrap metal is exactly what I need. So this is what we'll be using. Hello, dog. Come to think about it, this is also trash. But it also does feel like an aluminium, and I can't weld aluminium. The reason I need a tube like this is because I want to flatten this out, weld this in, grind it down a bit then, and this will basically be the strut brace. 80 centimeters long, 22 diameter of the tube. Outer diameter is 22 and the inner is 18. I think it's 2 mil thick. So, but now I need 18 mil inside diameter with 8 mil inside diameter and 12 mil outer diameter, because is it 12? Yes, 2 mil thickness. 2 or 3 mil thick. Actually, I need anything I can weld in here to have a bolt to go through it. So let's find something in the scraps. We have one side done. When I say done, I mean I'm fucking annoyed because of the fact that welding wire keeps getting stuck, so I cannot get a straight weld for the life of me. But whatever. This is not a problem here. I can always replace that, have it made or something. But when I get to welding the tabs on the car, see, this is the setup we'll have. I'm pretty happy with that. Now we need to do the other side, but before that we need to measure how long the tube needs to be. And if you think this is a too small tube because it's 22 millimeters, it has a 3 mil thick wall, so it's tough as they get. You cannot bend it, it has no flex. As I said, let's measure it. Actually, let's measure it on the car. So this is where I want it, like that. I know whoever makes these satchel or whatever they are called in England, they have these tabs turned around. I want them like this. I don't know why they have them turned around, but I prefer them like this. And now I can see that the tubing ends basically over this sole, so we'll measure it up to here, then we'll mark it. I haven't even showed you how I made this from that tube. I'll show you that now. Anyways, we'll mark it here, cut it off, and then we have, well, strut brace to length. All we need to do then, finish the other part and weld it to the car, which again will be quite a problem with this welder, because if it keeps fucking me up like it does right now, I will be a very unhappy fellow, but whatever. So I've taken out around a quarter. That will not be enough. Actually, I haven't gone all the way through here, but whatever. That won't be enough, but now I start to bend it, and when I get close, I'll cut a bit more, and then a bit more, and you can get where this is going. Where is it? Can you see it? I hope you saw it. Every fucking day. Let's get back to bending.
From now on, I'm going to bend what I want, when I want, who I want. I'm unstoppable! Ah.
We are pretty close, but as you can see, it's still too loose. We did get it close, but now I need to cut another piece out and then, well, bend it a bit more. Fuck, I tightened it up too much. Okay, now I need to get this off. But yeah, we're there. Clean it up and it's ready to weld. Once it's welded, I'll just run an 8mm drill bit through it and it will be good. Even though the last one I made a bit better because these align better, but whatever. Let's weld it in. It's now tacked in place. It's straight as they get. Let's see how it looks here. We'll go like this. Like that. Set everything as I need to set it. It's not perfectly parallel here. It is here. But yeah, I need a welding table to get things straighter, but it's not a show car, it's a race car. It will work. I actually didn't have any problems with welding wire this time, so welds were half decent, but I ground them down to, well, make it look like this side. But yeah, this will be the upper part. I still need to fill this all in completely and then grind it down a bit better. I need to redo everything here. I need to fill this in and grind it down a bit better. I need to grind everything here down. And I think, no, wait. The main part is to weld this in so I can start painting the car. So let's just clean this up and tack it in and see where we are. You know what? Before I actually do anything, these nuts have to be captive, and this will then be the left one. Okay, and I have to watch out not to weld the right one the wrong way. I can weld here, I can weld here. So yes, we will rotate it like that, and then I can make a slight weld up here. This is it. Captive nuts are in, everything is cleaned, and this is now the moment of truth. Everything is straight, set up as it should be set up. Distances are basically the same. So we are ending just around the ending of this hole here. Like that. And for now, let's tag this in place. They're in place. I didn't even check out if everything fits. Now, of course, here I fucking battled the wire. Couldn't get anything to work, but whatever. Can't get behind here. Whatever I do, I just can't. Hopefully this will be sturdy enough until I find someone to MIG weld it in here. I couldn't even get the nozzle here or here to get a continuous weld. Only could get like half here, half there. This one actually I didn't have any problems, so it looks half decent. This one again started with the wire. This one was pretty okay, could get it half decent. And here my nozzle got stuck, literally stuck right in here. So yeah, no space for welding. I need better equipment, so I don't know. We'll try and grind this down a bit because I don't know what to do. But it does seem like it will hold for now. Looks like it actually works. Being that this is scraps, which I was using here, I am really tempted to paint it like this, just into the clear color, because it fucking looks awesome. But everything on the car will be new, so there's that. Anyways, liquid paint, and then I'll show you the finished product. And now for a shot of a final product, and boy, did I get lucky. Look at this shit. So this is the final product. And this is why I was lucky, because it didn't even account for this. And look at the space I have. It's like a perfect fit.
But wait! There's more!
Yeah. Anyways, this is how it looks. And it works, it fucking works. Though I'm not sure I'll be able to take this off. I will. And bolt it and just pull it through. But fucking A. Loving this. Anyways, this was a big freaking success. I like it. And if you enjoyed this video, well, please give it a like, share it, and make sure to subscribe to see if we finish this car and how it will look. Well, for now, I'm going on with assembling the car, and the next one, I don't know what's in the next one. I don't have a plan. Either way, thank you for watching, and really hope to see you then. Bye!